So these are my 20-year-old Oakleys. Got them years ago, well, decades ago. And what happened was that the lenses started to get a little crappy on the inside. Here are the old lenses. You can see how beat up they are just from the sweat has like delaminated them. So I ordered these here from Amazon and then replaced them, no problems. Yes, the glasses have seen better days. But I like them. I've had them for a long time. So these are the new lenses in there. And one thing you'll notice it's really neat is that it comes with this polarized tester. See it there? Now, if I apply this, you see how you can see that little man in a boat? No man. Little man? No man. The man in the boat, I tell you. He knows. It's just that simple. So you can take your old Oakleys and put in new lenses that are polarized. Let me show you how it's done. Now the way they pop out, fairly straightforward. Just to apply just a little bit of pressure in some of the corners. Geez, I don't know if I want to do this right now, but we'll see. There they go. You'll see I just pop them out with a bit of force. And that's how easy it is to replace them. Just take your time, be careful, and try not to touch it with your skin. Try and use like a cloth like this if you have one available. It makes things so much easier. There, I just popped it back in. Easy peasy. Let's tell you, it makes these livable again. And there's nothing wrong with retro sunglasses. There we go. I'm cool once again, just like I was back in 2010.